Hi friends, welcome to Ftopreview.com. In this video, we're learning how to hide all of your desktop icons simply with one click. Okay, and it is not deleting, it is just hiding all desktop icons from your desktop. So, how to do that? I'm using Windows 11 laptop. So, simply right click on your desktop, then click on option of view, and you can see here there is an option show desktop icons. Okay, simply click on that, then you can see here that means there is a tick, that means it is currently enabled. So click here, then you will can see here my all desktop icons are gone. That means this is not deleted, actually it is hidden. So how to bring back? It is very simple. Right click, then select view, then select show desktop icons. You can see here there is no tick mark, that means it's not activated. Click on that, then it will be activated. So that's guys very simple tutorial, and if you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replays as video so you can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.